More than 1 in 5 adults live with a mental illness. That's according to the National Institute of Mental Health.
And the way they cope matters. Tonight, we hear from a woman who's turned her trauma into a career of helping others and shares how to manage your mental health in a positive way.
When I was a little girl growing up, I really started, dealing with a lot of trauma in my life. And it was basically, things that was going on in my household.
She didn't know it at the time, but at just 9 years old, Angela Hook's childhood trauma caused her to suffer from anxiety and depression. At first, she turned to cigarettes.
That gave me a rush. And I liked it the way it made me feel.
Then her method of coping escalated.
From cigarettes, I started drinking alcohol. From alcohol, I started experimenting with marijuana. From that, I started smoking crack cocaine.
She found herself stealing, getting in and out of bad relationships, and going against her faith to keep up with her addiction.
It affected my life mentally, emotionally, spiritually. I had children, and through that, even though I love my children, I couldn't really be the best mom that I knew that I could.
Until one day, a close call changed her life.
I can remember going on a binge, getting high, and I end up rolling over on my son. And when I woke up, my son was blue and he was barely breathing.
Angela says her 4-month-old son at the time was her guardian angel and pushed her to get the help she needed. She joined a Narcotics Anonymous program and started counseling to get to the root of her anxiety and depression so that she could heal.
I say it was God because I just got up the next day. I realized what I had did, and I said, hey, I need to get help.
Today, Angela is 30 years sober with 2 master's degrees, working as a licensed professional counselor to help others with their mental health.
I'm always talking to people about how God brought me through situations. And I share my story to let people know that you do not have to stay in the rut that you're in, that it is hope.
And showing them how to do what she didn't do, cope in a healthy way. Instead of turning to destructive habits like drugs and alcohol, she encourages people to try things that will uplift them, like getting a counselor.
Get you someone that you can talk to, someone that can help you process what may have went on in your life. What's causing you to feel depressed? What's causing you to feel the anxiety?
Focusing on self-care by eating right and exercising, practicing stress management techniques like journaling, and practicing mindfulness are a few other ways Angela says people can positively cope when it comes to managing their mental health.
We need to advocate in regards to mental health. We need to know that there's nothing wrong with saying that I need help.
Well, if you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, we do have resources in this story on our website.